Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss RTD. Today we are going to discuss why we use 3-wire RTD and why we use platinum RTD. So video is going to be very helpful for you. Look friends, RTDs are mostly used for temperature measurement. If we want to measure the temperature for any location, we will use an RTD. So RTDs are used for temperature measurement. If we talk about its full form is resistance temperature detector. Here you can understand detector means a sensor. So friends, RTD is a sensor and it detects temperature, so it is a temperature sensor. And you can reply in any interview that RTD is a temperature sensor and its output is in resistance. Now the important point about RTD is its resistance changes linearly with temperature. Now what does the linearly means? Linearly means suppose we are making a curve for temperature and resistance, then resistance will increase with temperature like this. Okay, as temperature will increase, resistance will increase linearly. Okay, and the other important point is RTDs are positive temperature coefficient. Positive temperature coefficient means when temperature will increase, resistance will increase. If it is negative temperature coefficient, then on increased temperature, the resistance will decrease. The RTD will look like this, and here in this part, there is a sensor. And for sensors, we use materials. We use platinum, copper and nickel. But platinum is the most commonly used materials for RTDs. That's why we call RTD PT100. Here PT means platinum. The reason for using platinum in comparison to other materials is that platinum temperature resistance characteristic is most linear in comparison to other materials. You can see here platinum, copper and nickel characteristics are shown, and platinum characteristic is more linear than other characteristics. So we use platinum in place of copper or nickel. Okay friends, here it is a curve for PT100. PT means platinum and 100 means at 0 degree Celsius the resistance will be 100 ohm. So the graph is started from here. Here it is 100 ohm and then it varies linearly according to the temperature. It is a graph for PT100. If we are using PT500, this graph will start from 500 ohm and then this graph will vary linearly according to the temperature. The other reasons for using platinum are platinum has widest temperature range and it has excellent long-term stability. Look friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Friends, mainly 3 types of RTD sensors are used and they are 2-wire RTD. Here 1 and 2 wires are used. Second one is 3-wire RTD. Here 1, 2, 3 wires are used. And third one is 4-wire RTD. Here 4 wires are used. Okay. 2-wire RTD is used for short distance only. 3-wire RTD is used for long distance. And its accuracy is better than 2-wire RTD. And 4-wire RTD is also used for long distances. And its accuracy is better than 3-wire RTD. But friends, we only use 3-wire RTD. What is the reason behind that? Now we will discuss it. Now we will discuss the types of 3-wire RTD. Look friends, 3-wire RTD may be of 2 types. The first one is simplex type and the another one is duplex type. Simplex type means its signal is transmitted to only one location, and in duplex type RTD, its signal is transmitted to 2 different locations, like one at controller and one at indicator. So according to application, we can use simplex RTD or duplex RTD. In RTD, you can see two wire are same color wire and one wire is a different color wire. Similarly, here you can see two wires are same color wire and one wire is a different color wire. Friends, here is the main reason for using 3-wire RTD. The third wire removes or eliminates the lead wire resistance from the sensor measurement. What does it mean? Suppose an RTD is inserted at any place, okay, and its signal will be transmitted through a wire. So this wire resistance, it will not include when we measure the resistance for RTD at controller side. Okay, so the resistance we will measure here will also display at controller side or any indicator side. This is the main reason for using third wire in 3-wire RTD. It is mostly asked in interviews that why we use third wire in 3-wire RTD. So this is the common answer. So this is a simple answer for that. Now we will discuss why we don't use 4-wire RTD. Because 4-wire RTD accuracy is much better than 3-wire RTD and it also eliminates wire resistance. Then why we don't use 4-wire RTD? The reason behind this is because in 4-wire RTD, one wire is extra. And we use hundreds, 200s RTD in our industry. So there will be a cost issue. Apart from cost issue, the accuracy of 3-wire RTD is sufficient. And the another main reason for using 3-wire RTD in comparison to 4-wire RTD is 3-wire RTD is more compatible with industrial system in comparison to 4-wire RTD. So friends, that was our video. For more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.